So if I just click on it, GTA 5 will be launched and I can play. Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you through how to download GTA 5. And can you really download it for free on your PC or laptop? Let's find out. So if you want to play GTA 5 on your PC or laptop, first you need to download Epic Games Launcher. So first step, open up any browser that you have on your PC or laptop and then click on search bar and then type Epic Games Launcher and then click on enter, and after that click on first link. As you can see, store.epicgames.com, click on it, and then here as you can see also available on Mac. So if you are using Windows then just click on it, but if you are using Mac then click on it. Okay, so just click on it and it will ask for your download destination, and after that, after selecting your download destination, just click on save and click on full download history, and then just click on show in folder, and after that right click on it and then just click on install. Okay, and after installation, as you saw in previous, I have Epic Games Launcher, so I'm not installing again. So after installation, just right click on it and click on open, and then here as you can see store, click on it and then click on search bar and then type GTA 5 and press enter, and here as you can see GTA 5 San Andreas and all GTA 5 version will be available on store. So if you want to just download GTA 5, then click on it and click on continue, and after that click on in library, and you have to pay them. You have to pay them to download this, and you can't download GTA 5 for free really. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.